hospital anomaly. Wait, what? Where's the exit? Again, let's go. Okay, we're going. Where the hospital until you find waiting for players? Okay.
I don't know what's big. Just kids. Just the kids. I don't know. Yeah, just 2 of them.
I don't like first person.
Yeah, first person game.
No. Ah! You're creepy.
Oh, what the hell? I'm the pink and you the skinny one.
Yes.
Other one.
Coffee.
Oh, look.
No, we can do words now because there's no music. What happened? I want to check.
So let me get the coffee. I want the coffee.
Okay.
Kimmy, I want it too. You need to go outside. Come on.
But
You need to go outside. Okay, let's go.
that's it. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Okay.
Now what you have to do? Hey, can you help me?
Oh, you have to go to room 2.
Oh my god.
Okay, so we have to do this. Dog, I'm cheating. Come join here. Not in room 1. Room 2 was calling. Where is it? Okay. We have to find this. We need to find this one, the other one.
Let me go my room back.
Here. What are you doing? Nothing.
I need to take this thing. Can I get fire?
No, wait, she doesn't need. Oh, we need this leaf.
Okay, no.
Okay, you treat her. Let me see. She's okay. That's the doctor. That's the doctor.
That's the darker, guys.
Okay, where's the doctor?
Oh my gosh, I get fixed. What the hell? Where are you? I'm the pink one. Wait, can you see?
Show me where.
Baba, shoot, get it. Can I have a sneaky something?
Okay.
Oh my god!
Yay. Oh, I am the best. Okay. Hi. Just say that's okay. That's cool. Okay. Okay. Thanks. So she is in rumor.
Mice.
I need coffee. Guess coffee.
I tried to get this mine.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll be in room 2.
Okay. Follow me.
There are a story of this place.
Yeah. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Where are you?
Ah! Can you give me coffee? Can you give me? I cannot get coffee. See me. Hi, see me. See me. See me.
It's
Um,
so Hmm. How are we going to get out of here? I'm gonna take coffee.
buy the coffee. I cannot.
How are we supposed to do this?
Hello? Help me. I tried to do coffee.
Leave. Here's.
I need coffee. No, I'm gonna die. Can I get coffee? I want coffee, but I'm gonna die.
Uh-oh.
Yes.
Okay. You have it. How?
I don't know. Wait, I forgot. Chocolate. We need the medicine. Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
I can scared.
Okay.
Okay. It's just fakes. No girlfriend. I'm so scared. What the hell? I'm too scared from you.
Is the patient okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh shit, that was
Who's calling?
person. I get to. I need some coffee. What's the taste in? Where's that?
I'm gonna jump with the patient. I don't know what's happening, but you have to.
I need coffee. Oh, I don't need coffee right now.
Doctor's here. Go back to the spot.
I need to chase it. No. Yes.
I need coffee.
You don't. You don't need coffee. I'm the best. I have so much money.
Me too. Oh my God, I'm bestie again.
Me too.
No, I am here.
I want coffee.
Okay.
No, can I have it, bro? No. See? See? I'm gonna get it, bro.
I got roommate.
Wait, I'm the roommate. What the? I'm gonna kill somebody?
Where are you?
I'm gonna kill somebody.
What did you do? You killed it.
Uh, It's coming. Okay, just go get the spread.
Okay, this one's right.
Okay, I need some coffee.
Oh.
What the heck? How are you okay? Who are you?
Okay. Okay.
Oh my god!
What? Take a picture and close the door.
Where? Here?
Close the door. Open the door now. Okay.
Okay, she speaks. Ah. Abby! She's kiwi.
What's happening?
She's kiwi. The picture was the...
Okay. You died. Okay, guys. Bye, guys.
No, bro.
You're going to not revive, Brian. You're dying. Let's say bye. Look. Goodbye, y'all. Bye.